Hey everybody, I'm the Pigglesworth. Welcome back to Antimater Chemistry. We are in a weird, strange place. Yes, we are. Now this is, for some of y'all, this is normal. You know, this is like normal Minecraft. It's modded. We're underground in the caves. Yes, we are. Now I'm going to have to make another trip back over here. So in a minute, I'll show you what I've done, how I've gotten over here. But there's all kinds of crazy stuff down here. I've got my pickaxe, my trusty pizza, and a handful of torches. And I think we're surviving down here. So far, so good. So let's go over here real quick where it's kind of safe, semi-safe. I found some stuff I want to show you real quick. But before we do that, let's go ahead and check this. I'm going to check the quests. So, gather up ores. I have managed to find 16 lead ore, 10, 8 copper. I've found some gold. I haven't gotten it yet, and we're halfway there to silver. So, and that's going to give us... I'm really curious what this more recipes thing is. What was the other one? What is this? Smeltery components. Create 10 clay and a block of bronze. Okay. Okay, there we go. So, what I've been using is ore miner to my advantage for certain. Uranium. Do I have uranium? I've got 9 uranium. See, I'm really starting to run out of inventory space here, and there's certain stuff I just don't want to lose. We can get rid of that. We can get rid of that. We can definitely make more sticks, and there's plenty more cobble. I'm looking at this stuff. Might as well gather. But this stuff right here, this Zen ore, this is weird because if I knock the lights out, you can see it glowing in the dark. You can kind of see it over there, the way that is. I'm not really certain what that stuff is. But here's something we need. We need gold. Oh my gosh, that was all the gold we needed. Awesome. So we just need to find some tin? What is that? What are you? I found a crystal. Arcane crystal. Alright, we'll throw that down. Yikey yikers. Let's see here. And oh no, that was... See if we can swim up here and get this here water source. Come here, water source. Come with me, please. Oh, no, that goes up even further, doesn't it? All right. Are you silver? No. That is a crazy canyon that I really don't want to try and navigate right now. Where did it go? Is that silver? No. I thought I had everything set up. What is it? It is over here? No. Oh, that's silver. Nice. We'll take that. We'll take you. You come with me, please. Thank you very much. Now, these things, these rune stones, I've gotten 3 of those, and I found this thing called a moonstone, so that looks pretty cool. I don't know what it's for, but it looked really cool. There's water there. See, I had found... There's this one spot over here. Found this really cool stuff, and I'm like, ooh, I'm going to save that. I want to be on camera when I break all that stuff. And it's not down there. Are you silver? No, you're tin. Here it is. Here's the magic cavern right here that we found. Let's light this stuff up. More of that Zen ore. Everything's Zen. I don't think so. There we go. We got it. Awesome. So let's see here. There's so much new stuff that I'm going to run through the chemical dissolver just to find out what's going on. It's this. Oh my gosh, this right here. Here's what I'm really afraid of. Am I going to break this and it's going to end up in the lava? I hope not. Let's find out. Oh my gosh. I will definitely toss some torches for diamonds. Let's see. There's something right over in there. Let's go down in here real quick. It just looked like there might be... Go ahead and vein mine you. See, I don't want to break those yet because I'm not quite certain what they are. And I don't have any more inventory space. So we'll probably have to do hunting for those. So, it is time for us to go home. Whoop! Love that. Love it. Really wish that that was available in vanilla. So now that we're back home, I have not changed anything here yet. I've not done anything. There was a couple of comments I'm just going to run through really quick. One of them was really cool. It was, well, I mean, they're all cool, but one was exceptionally cool. It was saying instead of trying to use spruce trees for wood, we could use dark oak. Now, the upside to dark oak was that you still get a ton of wood out of it, but it's shorter. So it's easier to break with vein miner instead of this, where I have to do like this weird, I'll show you from this angle over here. I have to stand about halfway up the tree, and even then, it's like you can't break the entire tree. I just don't think the vein miner has that kind of reach from the player. And then on top of that, you get a lot more apples dropping from the tree if you're doing the dark oak. So I'm probably gonna want to swap this over to dark oak. We can make blaze powder in a combiner, which I was looking for blazes. What in the blazes? Yeah, I was looking for blazes. Blaze powder can be made in a chemical combiner with geranium, carbon, and sulfur. And geranium has a 3.7, so okay, netherrack. So we could have basically made blaze powder to make blaze rods instead of looking for these little stinkers, excuse me, blazes, to do that. But I've already done it. So, but I do appreciate the comment. And for those of y'all watching, maybe playing along, maybe that will help save your sanity. Make a juicer, Piggy. Make a juicer. Used for crafting only. I don't get that. But a stone and a button. So those two things are easy to get. So tell me what in the world I would use a juicer for. I think I would use it for like fruit. And maybe if I have a bottle in my inventory, it'll make fruit juice or something like that. I don't know. Cook netherrack, then dissolve it. So cooked netherrack turns into nether brick, which is this. But I can't dissolve it. But we can take nether brick and turn it into nether brick. But I can't dissolve that either. So I don't know what you meant by cook netherrack and then dissolve it. That doesn't make sense. Cook apples for better food. See, I've seen that before in another mod pack. Oh, I've eaten all my... Did I eat all my apples? Yeah, apparently I did. So we'll just have to make more, right? Let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to dump this iron in here. Copper tin. Let's just dump all of the ores for now. We'll come back. We'll come back for them as we need them. Let's see here. You and you and you and you and you. This stuff I want to hold on to because I'm curious to see, can we run it through the little chemical thing. Okay, so we got some of that. Combine, you. So can we run green slate through there? Silicon dioxide, potassium chloride, aluminum oxide. Oh, nice. I think some of this stuff was kind of like a little bit of a pain to gather up, so we might be able to get more of it here like this. Silicon dioxide. So what does blue slate give us? Looks like about the same stuff. Bunch of aluminum. Purple slate, does that give us anything? So maybe all this slate gives us the same stuff. And I know there's probably... Okay, did it do it? Yep. See, there's sometimes it does that. It'll disappear, but the synchronization doesn't work right. So it backs everything up. Silicon dioxide, we can make smooth stone, so we'll experiment with that in just a minute. Okay, and then keep all the SiO2 you can. You will need it. What is SiO2? Is that silicon dioxide? Let's check and see. Squat. Oh, it's not showing us. So let's grab one. SiO2. Keep all the silicon dioxide you can. You're going to need it. So we'll definitely need to leave that there because that is going to be important. So let us go over here to our quests. Let's go ahead and we're doing ME storage. So let's take that. More recipes unlocked. That's what I'm really wanting. You unlock stage tinkers. You stinkers. So now I can do Tinker's Construct. Okay, cool. So let's see here. I still haven't set up the ME storage. I think what I'm going to do, because I'm kind of strapped for time. I'm going to film this week's episode, which is 3 episodes. So this is episode 2 for the week. And we'll have one more episode for the week to record. And then I will stop and do off-camera stuffs. So what I'm going to do is get this and next episode filmed, and then I'm going to do a bunch of different work, trying to do some work with pipes, maybe tear down this structure and rebuild it into something else, hopefully set up my ME system. Then I know there's a lot of people that's like chomping at the bit, Piggy, get that ME system going. So I will see if I can get it. So hold your horses. If you got any horses, if you don't, go catch one, and then hold it really tight. Hold your horses. Piggy will take care of it, okay? So let us check our quest book and see what's next. Smeltery components. 10 clay and a block of bronze. Copper and 10 dust. Can be acquired, oh man, excuse me, from the chemical combiner. So 10 clay. 10 blocks of clay. You can get it from loot crates. Chemical combiner will make kaolite. 4 of those will make a block. Well, what makes the ball of clay then? Uh-oh. Wait. Okay, let's see. We'll get you off there and you off there. Let's bookmark that and bookmark that. And once again, it's gonna act all screwy crazy on us. All right, bookmark you. There we go. Now we got bookmarks. Haha, get wrecked. So if I click on that, that is dirt, slag, and water. I think slag is a byproduct of a machine. 1 kaolite gives us clay, but if we run 4, it will give us a block of clay, which means we need 40 kaolite. Kaolite. That's how you pronounce that. So 40 kaolite. Now I know once the ME system is up and going, Piggy won't have to do what he's about to have to do. But let's see here. Are you kaolite? Why is it not showing? It's only saying 16 protein. You know why? Because we've got the placeholder showing we've made it before, but I bet we don't have any kaolite. Let's see. How do we make kaolite? It comes from grass blocks, which I don't have a silk touch tool, so I can't harvest that. Aluminum oxide, silicon dioxide, and water. Water's easy. We have a ton of silicon dioxide, and I think we just made a ton of aluminum oxide from dumping those blocks in there, which is amazing that kind of worked out the way it did. So let's see here. Aluminum oxide. Let's get a stack of that. We need a stack of water, which is H2O. How much water do we have in here? Oh, let's get a stack of that. Wait. No. That. There we go. So that's going to give us half a stack. I don't know that that's going to be enough. Silicon dioxide and water, aluminum oxide. So I need another stack and then 2 stacks of that. So 1 more stack of water, aluminum oxide, 2 stacks of silicon dioxide, and let's combine. So kaolite, we'll click you. Dump the stuff in there. Make the stuff. There we go. Just keep making. You got this. I think I ended up grabbing 1 more silicon dioxide than I needed. So dump all the water in there and that. Okay, those are synchronizing, so we can go ahead and boop, pop you in there. And that. Okay, so from there, we want to make clay. 4 is going to give us 1, so we need 40 kaolite, and we have a stack, which is awesome. So let's go at 1, 2, 3. There we go. We'll put that there. That. Okay, so that is going to give us 10 blocks. 10 blocks? Nope, that's stone. That's clay. There we go. Task complete. And so now we need to make a block of bronze. So let's remove you and click on you. To make a block of bronze, we need to make bronze ingots. Bronze ingots can be made from bronze blend. How do we make a bronze blend? I don't know that I have a quartz grindstone, but it'd be pulverized tin and pulverized copper, which I think we got. A quartz grindstone. How do you make that? Certus quartz, wooden gear. All right, let's check our box of machines first. Compacting drawer. I'm not seeing a grindstone in there anywhere. But we do have Certus quartz, so let's get you. Let us not bother with making any of that. Wait, there's... You go back. I think that might be enough right there. Let's see here. Quartz. Grindstone? That's what we're looking for. Certus quartz, cobble at the bottom, 3 of that, and a wooden gear, which is easy. That is sticks. Okay, so we'll make some sticks out of you. Let's get some cobble. Carrying around them stinking goggles. I don't know what in the world they're for. So let's craft a gear. I only need 1. You get out of there. I think we're going to have to make one of those little cranks too for this. So quartz grindstone. No. There we go. Grindstone. Put stuff in. Stuff comes out. But it needs the crank. See, this is where playing modded before is actually paying off. I know what in the world I'm doing for once. 3, 4, 5 sticks. I got 4. All right, so we need 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Get cranky some more. There we go. No, make it, please. Boop. I guess I have to look at that, right? Crafting bench would make sense. Okay. Squat and right click. There we go. So we've got the hand crank in there now. So to make the block of bronze, we need 9 ingots. And to make 1 ingot... Where in the world did I see it? Oh, here we go. Smelt it. A bronze blend. So I need 9 bronze blend. So let's do this 3 times because 1 will give us 4. So we've got to get 9. It's going to be 8 or 12 as our multiples. So we need to do this 3 times. So we need 9 copper and 3 tin. I feel like I'm in Sevtech again. Look at that. Made a rhyme. So 9 copper. Yeah, copper. 3 tin. And it's time to grind this stuff up again. Nice, we can do that. And nothing's ground up yet, so we're going to be here for a minute. So this is going to be a little speed up. Zoom, zoom, zoom. You ready? Here we go. There we go. I think that will do. That'll do, pig. So ingot, we want to make that. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's leave these for now, just in case, shall we? So let's pop that in there. That should give us... Oh, wait. I know. I started wasting a little bit of fuel there. I am sorry. There, go in there. Become smooth stone. Everybody that said don't cook the cobble is losing their minds. Right about... Well, wait for it. Right now. It took them a moment. It took a second for that seething anger to kick in. Piggy! Where'd my mind go? See how that worked? It was just like that. So let's go ahead and leave these goggles in here for now. Block of coal, stinking energy cell. Don't know what you're for. You just stay in there. So 3. Okay, so that's going to give us 9. Let's go ahead and undo crank. Don't be so cranky, piggy. Take off the block of bronze. And let's see what's coming up for our next. So smelting. Make a smeltery. We got to make all these different smeltery components. Bricks. We're going to get 12 bricks as a reward, materials and use. So we're going to start Tinker's Construct next, is what's going to happen. Device frame components. Osmium manganese. Okay. No, go back. Go back, Peggy. Cyan antimatter. You know what? Since we're right here, let's go ahead and bookmark you. Bookmark you. Yellow antimatter. And let's go ahead and bookmark all of the stuff. And then let's look and see. Nope. Bookmark, and then we'll unbookmark. I don't know why that thing does that. So basically what I'm going to need to do is go through and figure out, because each of these is made from seared bricks, and seared bricks is made from grout. So what I'm going to have to do is make a whole bunch of clay, a whole bunch of sand, and a whole bunch of gravel. I didn't see any gravel or sand in that dark realm world thing. It was just stone, lava, and a bunch of different ores. And let's see here. We've got that. Let's go ahead and make our block so we can get that achievement. Smelter components complete. Thank you very much. Come here. A little bit more clay never hurt nobody. Unless you are a collector of clay and you don't have anywhere else to put it. Then it might hurt you. So basically what I'm going to have to do is, I don't know if that's enough clay or not. I'm going to have to do the math to figure out how much grout needs to be created so that I can make all these other parts. But I'm pretty certain you'll see me now make clay. We've made, let's just go ahead and bookmark, not gravitas, no, not that, gravel, sand, because apparently I'm going to have to remember how to make this stuff. And let's see here. Sand is silicon dioxide in that position. Gravel is silicon dioxide in that position. Now we know why somebody said, hey, make sure you save all the silicon dioxide in the entire world, because you're going to need it. They didn't actually say the entire world. I added that. But okay, so with silicon dioxide, we can make those two. We've got some clay, which is good. So that's going to let us make grout. So what I'll do is between episodes, I will work on making all the grout that I need and go ahead and get ready. What I'll do is I'll make all the seared bricks, and then we will craft all these things on camera, because maybe some of y'all are new. You don't know anything about tinkers, but just crafting all of these components can be a little bit boring on camera. Yeah, that's the way that goes. But if you enjoyed this episode, please click that like button. If you want to see more of these as I release them, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want YouTube to notify you whenever a new video comes out, click the notification bell, and it will notify you, hopefully, if YouTube's having a good week and it's behaving itself. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and make up all the materials, get myself ready for next episode for those seared bricks. And that's what I hope to see you is in the next episode.